Hey guys, I am Kharim and I'm the person behind this awesome blog, webmastersuccess.com. I have this blog for almost 10 years. I created the blog back in March 10, 2010, and ever since that blog has been online, I have over 900 articles on my blog. For the past couple of months, over a year now, I haven't really been active on the blog. I still go in and update the blog on a regular, but I feel like I need to make this video to let you know what's happening and why the blog isn't being updated on a regular. Well, for one thing, I used to live in Jamaica, but then I moved to the USA last year. Ever since I got here, there has been a few challenges here and there, and I haven't really fully settled as yet. Sometimes I have no internet, and I live a really busy life because I have a newborn son that I am taking care of at home, and sometimes I'm not able to jump online, respond to emails, publish guest posts, write articles, and so forth. So the blog has been on a little slow. I realize that I do get traffic to the blog and I should capitalize on this, but as a present moment, I'm still working on some things to get the blog at a certain stage in which users or readers or guest bloggers can easily submit their articles. For now, I'm still working on that. I have updated the blog just a little. Google AdSense ads, I removed some ads off the site, as you can see. Also the contact page and other pages has been updated. I still post every now and then, but not as regular as I wish I would. Also, I'm working on other projects as well. I do photography. I am trying to launch my photography business here in Florida. Plus, I'm also working on the website, which is fully completed. I just need to get some pictures up on the site. But as for Webmaster Success, though, it is still online, still lots of articles on the site that you can read. And also for people who have emailed me about guest blogging, I am truly sorry that I haven't responded to you as yet, but I'm working on something so you can submit your posts very easily to the blog. Once that is up, I will make another video and post on my blog so you can know what's taking place. As for now, I'm truly sorry, and what you can do is, submit some suggestions to me in the comment section below of this blog post or below the video as well, to let me know how you think I can let users submit their guest posts easily to my blog. For now, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon.